Everyone, how are you? Today we are come back, and in today's lesson we study about multiples and least common multiples. You can say LCM, it means least common multiples. The first time we need to find the multiples, after that which one is common, and we have least common multiple. For example, in this example we have 4 and 6. I say find the LCM, it means least common multiples of 4 and 6. The first time we need to find the multiple, after that find the least common multiple. For 4, we have multiples of 4 is 4, it means 4 multiplied by 1. After that 8, you can add 4 by plus 4, and you can say or you can say 2 times 4, it means 2 times 4 equal to 8. After that 3 times 4 equal to 12, or 8 plus 4 equal to 12. After that 12 plus 4 equal to 16, or 4 times 4 equal to 16. However, after 16 we have 24. This set of numbers is multiples of 4. Multiples of 6, we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. That's enough, students. Just find 4 or 6 numbers for multiples. After that, identify which number is least and common multiples. We have common multiples there: 12, 24, and that's right, just 12 and 24. But which number is least? For two sets? We have 12. So which number is least common multiple? 12 is least common multiple. And find the LCM if we have 3 numbers: 3, 6, and 9. The first time find the multiples for each of them. After that, identify which number is LCM. For 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. That's enough. And for 6, we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. And for 9, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63. Just you can just find 5 numbers for the set number. Okay, now which number is least and common? We have 6 there, and there's also we have 6, but there we have 6, no, so 6 is not a least common multiple. And after that we have 12 there, but we haven't there. Also 12 is not least common multiple. We have 18 for 3 sets. We have 18. So which number is least common multiple? Is 18. Least common multiple is 18 because it's common between 3 numbers and is least also. So least common multiple, or you can say LCM, is 18. And now we solve the practices. Student, look, we solve the practices in page 131. We solve it, but we review list the first multiples of each number. Just find 5 first multiples. For 4, we have 4, 8, because 1 multiply 4 equal to 4, 2 multiply 4 equal to 8, 3 multiply 4 equal to 12, 4 multiply 4 equal to 16, and 5 multiply 4 equal to 20, and 6 multiply by 4 equal to 24. We just find 5 multiples of this number. And for 5, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's enough. For 8, we have 8, 16, 24, because 3 times 8 equal to 24, 4 times 8 equal to 32, 5 times 8 equal to 40, and 6 times 8 equal to 48. And practice 6 say find write the LCM for each set numbers. Find LCM for 2 and 3. We have 2, 4. Multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. For 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Which one is least? We have 2 there, we haven't there. We have 4 there, we haven't there. We have 3, we haven't there, so we haven't 3 there. So which number is least? We have 6. 6 is least common multiple, student. Now we solve practice 7. In practice 7 we have 3 and 7. The first time find the multiples of 3 and 7. Multiples of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21, 24. That's enough. For 7 we have 7, 14, 21, and 28, and 35. Which one is least there, student? We have 3, we haven't there, we have 6, we have 12, but there we haven't, we have 14, we haven't there, we have 15, we haven't there, 18, we haven't there, we have 21. 21 is common, there's also have, so which one is least? 21 is least and common multiples. LCM is 21. For practice 7 we have practice 8 we have 6 and 9. For 6 we find multiples. We have 6, 12, 18, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36. For 9 we have 1 multiply 9 equal to 9, 2 multiply 9 equal to 18, 3 multiply 9 equal to 27, 4 multiply 9 equal to 36. But there's which number is least? We have 6, we have 9, we have 12, we have 9, we have 18, we have 18. Yeah. Also we have 36 and 36. But 36 is least common multiples? No, it's not least. 18 is least. So LCM or least common multiple is 18. We have two common multiples. There's 36, 18, 18. But which one is least? 18 is least. So LCM is 18. I think that's enough for this lesson. I hope to see you again. Goodbye, student. That's enough. Goodbye.